Hey, Ned. It looks like we recovered your inheritance. Classy! That's it. I'm retired. Oh no, we forgot Cody. We gotta go back. Goodbye, Cody.